Hi everyone, today we're going to start our lesson 1.6, which is modeling with linear functions. But today, while we're just getting used to taking notes again, and you're getting used to your preferred method of taking notes, we're going to start with talking about how to write equations of lines. And so we'll review this Algebra 1 concept as we kind of ease into note taking. So if we're given the slope of a line and the y-intercept, then there's a specific form of the equation that we can write really easily called the slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form of a line is y is equal to mx plus b. And in that equation, m is our slope and b is the y-intercept. But maybe we aren't given the y-intercept. Instead, we have a specific point on the line as well as the slope. We'll call that point x1, y1, and it's just any point that lies on the line. And if we have that information, we can use point slope form. Point slope form of a line, if you'll recall, is y minus y1, and that's equal to our slope m times x minus x1, where x1 and y1 are that specific point. And then finally, sometimes we don't even know the slope, but we're given the information to calculate it. So if we have at least 2 points on the line that we know lie on the line, we'll call them x1, y1 and x2, y2. From those 2 points, we can find the slope, and then we can use point slope form, or we could also use point slope form of the line. So let's remember that our slope is equal to rise over run. How much does it go up, or sometimes down if it's negative? And then how much does it go to the left or to the right? So that equation is y2 minus y1, the difference between the two y values, divided by the difference between the x values, x2 minus x1. After we have the slope, then we can plug that into our point slope form. So again, it's the same equation from above. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. There is one other method that I'm going to show you today if we're given 2 points, and that's to use the power of Desmos or our graphing calculator. So I'm just going to make a little note that we can also use Desmos or a calculator.